Hi, Judy at Client Hub. I get a lot of questions about how is the best way to use tags in Client Hub and in other pieces of software. Tags are used to create filtered views of lists, reports, and dashboards. In Client Hub, we can add tags to clients as well as our jobs. Now, there's no right or wrong way to use tags or to create tags. The way that I've always looked at it is I create client tags for the type of client. So, is it a business versus a personal client or a small business client? S Corp, is it a C Corp, is it an LLC? Or how often I do the work for the client monthly, quarterly, weekly, or those types of service that I do for a client. So, you can see here for Polly's Pet Spa, I went ahead and I picked this as a monthly client. We do payroll and sales tax. Now on the job side, we can go ahead and create tags for the type of work, the team that the work is for, so you could do something like that, or maybe some type of task within that job that I want to be able to filter by. Again, there's no right or wrong way. Do what's best for you, but those are some easy ideas. So to add a tag to a client, you'll go to the Client Details tab. You'll click on the Tags section and you'll click the plus button to add tags from your tags library. And you can see the ideas of some of the tags that I have here. Once the tags are added, they're going to be displayed at the top of the page next to your client list, only in the accountant view. Clients do not see the tags. And then the way we use client tags would be to filter our client list over on the left-hand navigation. So if I wanted to take a look at all my sales tax clients, I can go ahead and click on the filter and choose sales tax. And now I've only displayed the clients that I do sales tax for. Where that comes in really handy is I can use my batch actions, which is the blue box at the very top of the page, select all those sales tax clients, and then I have the option to create a client task or a job. I can do that once and it creates it for all of those clients. So pretty handy there. Now for job tags, we're going to go to the jobs dashboard. And this is a great way for us to take a look at something like, again, sales tax, something with a really hard deadline. We want to make sure that we don't miss out on that or drop the ball. So I can go ahead and if I have tagged some of my jobs, I can go ahead and create a filtered view of my jobs dashboard just to show the work that includes that sales tax tag. Now this monthly bookkeeping job, you wouldn't have thought so, but hey, when I open it up, take a look. There's a line item there for processing and paying sales tax, and I added the tag right here within the job. If it's a repeating or recurring job, it will always carry that tag. To create your tags, go to the Setup and Settings page in the Advanced section and build your own tag library. The Setup and Setting page will help you to complete the setup of your account so you can begin using Client Hub effectively within your firm.